Yeah, good morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've done video on LCM. Now this is HCF. If you don't have access to my video on LCM, click on the comment section. You will have access to my YouTube channel where I have the playlist that dealt with prime numbers, prime factors, LCM and HCF. Now look at this example. Find the HCF of 10 and 20. HCF is highest common factor. It's different from LCM. It's different from LCM. So, but you can use the same tabular method for HCF. Bring down your 10 and bring down your 20. HCF is that, is there any number that can divide the two of them at once without remainder? Yes. I will start with what? 2. 2 can divide the two of them without having any what? Remainder. So 2 in 10 is what? Sorry, 2 in 10 is what? 5. And 2 in what? 2 in 20 is what? Is 10. Is there still any number that I can use to divide the two of them without remainder? Yes. And what is the number? 5. All right. So 5 in 5 is what? 1. 5 in 10 is what? 2. So is there any number I can use to divide the two of them at once again? No. Since there is no number I can use to divide the two of them at once again. So my HCF will be what? My HCF will be 2 times 5. And that is what? 10. Now let me give you another example. They say find the HCF of what? 16 and 20. Draw your tabular table like this. All right, put your 16 and put your what? 20. Is there any prime number that I can use to divide the two of them at once? Yes. What is the prime number? 2. So 2 in 16 is what? 8. 2 in 20 is what? 10. Any prime number that I can still use to divide the two of them at once? Yes. That is what I can still use 2. 2 in 8 is what? 4. 2 in 10 is what? 5. Is there any prime number that I can use to divide the two of them at once again? No. Since there is no prime number that I can use to divide the two of them at once again, so my HCF will be what? Let me see my camera, okay? My HCF will be what? My HCF will be what? 2 times 2, and that is what? 4. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Don't forget to have access to this kind of videos. I've created a playlist on my YouTube channel. Click on the comment section. The first comment, you will see the link. Click on it. Let your child watch it. Within 20 minutes, I promise your child will understand prime numbers, prime factors, LCM, and HCF. See you in my next video.